Located in the beautiful country of Montenegro, the city of Budva is a popular destination for tourists from all over the world. Known for its stunning landscapes and picturesque beaches, Budva offers a unique combination of history, culture, and natural beauty. Budva is located on the Adriatic Sea and boasts a picturesque coastline with crystal clear waters and beautiful beaches. Budva also boasts a rich historical heritage. Be sure to visit the Old Town of Budva with its narrow streets, ancient buildings, and medieval walls. Exploring this well-preserved site will take you back in time and give you a glimpse into Budva's past. Of course, you can't talk about Budva without mentioning its magnificent beaches. With crystal clear waters and sandy shores stretching along the Adriatic Sea, these beaches are ideal for sunbathing, swimming, or simply relaxing. The most popular beaches are Mogren Beach, Jazz Beach, and Slovenska Plaza. Tourism plays an important role in Budva's economy as visitors flock here all year round to experience everything this charming city has to offer. From cultural festivals to water sports and boat tours along the coastline of the stunning Montenegrin Riviera region, there is no shortage of things to do in Budva. Whether you're looking for a relaxing holiday on beautiful beaches or an exploration of history and culture, Budva offers an unforgettable travel experience. It's no wonder that visitors continue to flock to this charming city year after year, with its stunning scenery, vibrant atmosphere, and warm hospitality.